Up to now, there are people who are saying, is he with police? Which agency is he with? We want to tell the public that as the police, we do have about 15 case files against Fred Kajubi that are under investigation surrounding acts of spreading harmful information or propaganda, sharing videos inciting the public to protest using IEDs, that is improvised explosive devices, to incite chaos in the public, and also other cyber crimes. Now, I'm going to repeat this, that until Fred Kajubi is handed over to the police, we shall come up with a statement indicating the allegations against him, the status of the investigations against him, and so on and so forth. So that is where our boundary is, whether he's in the country or whether he's not yet in the country. For us, our interest as the police is that once he is handed over to the police, we shall process him along these 15 case files that were opened against him. So I want us to be very, very clear with that. I don't want any other questions that may be, so where should he be? If he's not in our hands, how do you expect us to come out and tell the public where he is? The police is a very respected institution, and we are going to wait until at whatever stage he's handed over to us, and we shall go ahead and process him. Thank you.